When you're at work or school, how many times have you ended up at the cafeteria eating unhealthy food with your colleagues or friends? It might seem easy and fun to have lunch with your coworkers or friends while enjoying a good conversation, but it can lead to making very poor and unhealthy lunch choices. Not to mention it can be really tough on the wallet. A recent study found that on average, it's almost 5 times more expensive to eat out than it is to cook at home. You'll be surprised to hear that a recent study showed eating outside food 2 to 3 times a week increases your risk of coronary heart disease by almost 80% and diabetes by 27%. If you find making lunch a difficult and boring task, keep watching today's video for easy and healthy lunch ideas for school or work that you can make at home in a jiffy. Subscribe to Bestie and click the notification bell for future notifications. Number 1. Avocado Chicken Salad. Mix 1/2 plain Greek yogurt, 1 avocado, and a grilled chicken breast together in a bowl. Cover and refrigerate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Let all those yummy flavors blend together. Serve on your favorite bread, crackers, pita pocket, or on a bed of lettuce. Quick, easy, and healthy. Number 2. Quinoa Burger. This vegan quinoa burger recipe is easy, healthy, and packed with protein. There's no food processor required, and it comes together pretty quickly in a bowl. Mash rinsed and drained black beans and mix it with cooked quinoa, tomato paste, seasoning, and breadcrumbs. Form 4 patties and grill them well on both sides. Build a burger with healthy veggies of your choice and you're good to go. Number 3. Avocado turkey and hummus wrap. It's easy to make and you can assemble it in just 5 minutes. Lay the tortilla on a flat, clean surface and gently spread hummus around the tortilla. Add a couple of slices of cucumber in the center of the wrap, followed by a slice of turkey breast, tomato slices, and avocado. Carefully roll your tortilla up like a burrito, then slice the wrap in half, or don't slice it at all. Your choice, but do enjoy. Number 4. Parmesan Tuna Sandwich. This Parmesan Tuna Sandwich spread is full of fresh flavor. You can make this with canned salmon as well. Combine tuna, bell pepper, and green onions in a medium bowl. In another small bowl, combine mayonnaise, sour cream, mustard, lemon juice, and basil leaves and blend them well. Add to the tuna mixture and blend. Cover tightly and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Spread the mixture on a healthy bread of your choice along with some healthy veggies. Number 5. Chicken Noodle Soup. Here's a quick and easy chicken noodle soup recipe that you can make at home in about 30 minutes. And it's hearty enough to fill up your stomach during lunchtime. In a large pot, melt some butter over medium heat. Add onion and celery and saute until the onion's tender. Add the parsley, chicken broth, soups, poultry seasoning, thyme, and pepper. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer for 20 minutes. Finally, add salt for taste, as well as peas and carrots along with some cooked noodles and cream. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes longer, and your delicious chicken soup is ready to be eaten. Number 6. Chicken Salad Lettuce Wrap. In a large bowl, combine yogurt and blue cheese. Season with lemon juice to taste. Stir in chicken until fully coated. Adjust with more yogurt, blue cheese, or lemon if needed. Spoon the shredded chicken onto the center ribs of the romaine lettuce leaves, dividing meat equally between them. Now, place them on a cutting board or rimmed baking sheet. Set them upright next to each other to prevent leaves from falling over. Now evenly sprinkle walnut pieces, raspberry halves, and chives between lettuce leaves. Innovative and tasty. Number 7. Butternut squash and spinach tortilla. Boil squash for 10 to 15 minutes until tender. In a large bowl, beat together the eggs, milk, and mustard with seasoning. Now stir fry for a few minutes until it turns golden, and then add the spinach and stir fry for a few more minutes until it's wilted. Tip the egg mixture into the pan and stir gently together, and then cook over the lowest heat, without stirring for 10 to 12 minutes or until the bottom is golden and the tortilla is nearly set. Cut into 4 wedges just like pizza. Number 8. Italian pasta salad. In a large bowl, toss together pasta, mozzarella, salami, spinach, tomatoes, artichokes, and olives. For the dressing, add olive oil, vinegar, garlic, Italian seasoning, parsley, and red pepper flakes to a jar. Secure the lid and then shake to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Dress pasta with dressing. Yes, pasta can be healthy and easy. Number 9. Buddha noodles. In a large pot of salted boiling water, cook noodles according to the package instructions. Drain noodles and rinse with cold water to cool. Return noodles to saucepan. Add peanut butter, soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, lime juice, and garlic. Stir until sauce is creamy and noodles are fully coated. Put it in a bowl or in your lunchbox and top it with chicken, broccoli, avocado, and green onions. Garnish with sesame seeds. Number 10. Hummus Chicken Salad. This is a super simple, light, and healthy lunch idea, which is very convenient for on-the-go lunches. All you need to do is combine shredded chicken and your favorite healthy hummus in a large bowl and serve in a wrap, on crackers, sandwich bread, or on a salad as well. So simple. Number 11. 3-ingredient salmon. You can cook something as healthy as a salmon using just 3 basic ingredients: salmon, lemon, and Italian seasoning. Place salmon in a shallow pan and squeeze lemon juice over it. Make sure the salmon is coated well. Let it marinate in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Then preheat the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and place salmon pieces skin side down on a parchment-lined baking sheet or pan. Cover each piece with Italian seasoning and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Bake for 10 minutes, pack it up, and then you're off to school with your healthy and delicious lunch. Number 12. Mushroom rice pilaf. On medium heat, add oil in a small saucepan and onions. Let the onions cook until translucent. Add mushrooms to the pot and begin stirring occasionally, about 5 minutes. Stir in the rice and let it cook for 3 minutes. Stir in vegetable broth, add salt and pepper, and cover with the lid. Reduce heat to low and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender. Number 13. Egg, avocado, and pesto bagel sandwich. This easy bagel sandwich is great for school or work lunch. It's full of flavor, filling, and super delicious. Just spread pesto sauce on the inside of both bagel halves and set aside. In a small bowl, whisk 2 eggs together with salt and pepper and cook on a pan. Place a slice of cheese on top of the egg until it melts. Now, place some arugula on the bottom half of the bagel and add the cheesy egg on top. Add the avocado slices, season with salt and pepper to taste, and then add the rest of the arugula. Top with the other half of the bagel. With just a little bit of preparation and pre-planning, you can eat healthy and delicious food without having to spend your hard-earned money. We hope that today's video helps you out in preparing tastier and healthier home-cooked lunches. Are you someone who prefers eating out at work rather than preparing something at home for various reasons? Let us know in the comments section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.